All right, what's up? Um, so this is going to be a video about how to set up Active Trader on Thinkorswim. Most platforms have an Active Trader on them, but this one's for Thinkorswim because that's the platform that I use to trade on. So the reason why I think that you need to be using Active Trader, any trader needs to be using Active Trader unless they're just investing. Trading and investing are not really the same thing. Um, but using Active Trader helps you get in and out of orders uh, quickly. Efficient. It's efficient trading. Um, it helps with being like user friendly and everything. It makes it very quick, easy, efficient, getting in and out of orders, especially in the morning market opening scalp trades. You need to be in and out, making the money, getting in and out. Um, so using Active Trader helps with the efficiency of execution of the orders, getting buying and selling the contracts. So how to set it up? Um, First off, you got to go download it off their website, the desktop version. You'll get a little icon, log into your account, create an account, it's free. Um, put money in it, all that good shit, right? Um, Once you have it downloaded and everything, you open it up. You'll come to trade right here and all products, all right? And you see it opens up an options chain, all right? So what we're gonna do is come over here to the three little bar button and click detach. All right, so we've detached the window. So now we have our options chain in a completely different window now, right? So then now we come back over to this window, the original window, and you'll click back on Active Trader, okay? Now that brings up this page. So you can have this open too at the same time. Options, this is where you trade the options, all right? I'm going to show you how to set that up. So let's just say that we're going to trade. NVIDIA has been a crazy one here lately. Let's just go with that. It's a good one to trade. What you'll do is right click on the contract that you want, which I'll go over how to do that in another video, but this is just Active Trader setup. Right click on a contract that you want to trade, all right? You can add it to a watch list. This particular contract you can add to a watch list. I have calls and puts, obviously for those reasons, calls and puts. So this was a call, so I can save it to the call watch list. All right. So, you could have this set up to where you have a watch list right there. This is the calls watch list. Now you see NVIDIA. Bam, right there. All right. That particular contract is right there on your watch list. So from there, you want to send this contract to one of these numbers, color coordinated numbers, all right? Color coordinated numbers, 1, 2, 3. So you're sending it, each one of these columns is going to be that number. Send it there. You see how it popped up? Here we are. That particular contract is now in this column, all right? So you can do that with each one of those. Have Apple there, Boeing there, Alibaba there, and so on, right? So you can always be ready to buy and sell any of these contracts that you have set up. That's great to have it set up this way before the market opens. So all you have to do is literally click one button to get in and one button to get out on the scalp trades. You have them all set up. All right. So from there, I'm gonna close this back. Um, from there, we can also do it this way. You right click and you can send it that way too. You know what I'm saying? You can do it like that. Um, Creating that watch list is more for like before the market opens. Um, Ones that you studied the night before or that morning, finding good setups, having them on your watch list. If you had more than what you had up here, the columns up here, so you don't have to go back to the options chain and find it and everything like that, okay? Um, so the next step is setting this section up, okay? And how you set this up is this button right here, right? So you can have it, the order of this matters. That is, see if I flip those around, it's going to flip them around right here too. You know what I'm saying? So how to set one of those up. Let's just, here, this one's not set up. So um, buy the bid, we're going to do it like that. Here, first off, we're going to take that away and take that away. Move this up here and move this up here. So now we need sell sell bid. Move it right there. This needs to be 5. Yeah, this needs to be there. Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. Sell the ask. And buy the bid. And let's see, how does that make it set up? See, I kind of have it set up like that, so it needs to be more like this. So like that, yeah. You see how it's set up now. You got the quantity there, buy and sell, everything like that, right? So then you got the quantity plus or minus how many contracts of that contract you would be buying. Make sure that auto send is checked. If it's not, then when you click the buy the market, for a scalp trade, another confirmation window is going to pop up and take that trade even longer, that order to be executed, because then you got to click another button. You want it to be one button click, so make sure that that's checked. So now from there, now you have level 2 down here for this particular contract, okay? It is not for the share price of the stock. It is only for that particular contract. How many buyers and sellers are there on this particular contract, okay? And other than that, basically, that is how you set up Active Trader, how I set it up and everything. So onto my setup though, I can't really show it, but I can explain it. It's not hard to explain. I'm sure, just use your imagination for a visual of it, all right? So what I do is I have 2 laptops, all right? One laptop is for looking at the charts, okay? I actually have this laptop hooked up to, like a TV monitor. Like it's what, 45 inches or so. So it's fairly big, and I look at my charts on a big screen, and I don't flip back and forth. The charts are always going to be up on the screen, okay? Now my second laptop, my other one, is where I have this, okay? So I have this pulled up at all times on another laptop, and then I have my charts pulled up on another one hooked up to a TV. Big, big and bold, can't miss it. Can't miss the fucking candlesticks and shit and the way the price action. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically it. That is my setup. It's not complicated. I try to keep things simple because you know what? I'm not a complicated person. I don't feel like I am. It's not trading can't trading doesn't have to be complicated, you know? Um even this, like, you know what? I I feel like I have too many fucking lines on this shit. Not really, but I see what I'm doing, but that's it. That's how I trade. Using this stuff, and just I want to click one fucking button to get in the trade and one fucking button to get out of the trade. Simple, you know? So, yeah, basically that's it for this video. That's how you set up Active Trader on Thinkorswim and how I have my setup and everything for when I'm trading. And I'm going to make another video on how to read this, the options chain. All right, and what I look for to pick the correct contract, and what you're actually looking for. No, not what you're looking for. What an option contract kind of is. What you're actually trading. You know, because you're not necessarily trading the share price. That obviously plays a part in it, but you you know, we'll go over that in the next video. All right. On how to read an options chain and what all these little things mean and everything like that, and just how I do it. I try to keep that simple too. You know, I found something that works, and from there, it's just your fucking mentality, your psychology on trading. Don't let your emotions get the better of you at that point. This is all the technical shit. Honestly, this is the easy shit. The emotion and psychology of trading is most definitely the hard shit. That's the hardest part about this shit. So we'll probably try to go over a video about how to be mentally when you're trading. Um, Not a lot of people can be mentally. I mean, dude, you have bad days, you have good days, and it is, you know. Anyways, we'll try to make a video about that too. Everybody struggles with that. But I'm gonna make a video about that, and basically that is how you set up Active Trader. By the way, yep. All right. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.